गाहों पर और मस्जिदों के अंदर औरतों का जाना हमारे यहाँ मना है और ख़ास तौर पर कब्रिस्तानों के अंदर और मज़ारों पर तो ख़ास तौर पर औरतें नहीं जानी चाहिए, क्योंकि औरतों का मामला अलग होता है, मर्दों के मामलात अलग होते हैं। अब वो किस स्थिति में है, उसकी पाकी नापाकी के क्या मामलात हैं, वो सब एक औरतों के लिए बहुत उसमें ध्यान देने की बात होती है। तो मैं समझता हूं कि अगर वहां पर उनको नहीं जाने दिया जा रहा तो उनको जिद नहीं करनी चाहिए, और अगर उन्हें इबादत करनी है तो खुदा की इबादत करें और अपने घर में इबादत करें। अल्लाह ताला हर जगह है और वो अपने घर से जो इबादत करेंगी वो ज्यादा ताकतवर होगी मुकाबले दूसरी जगह के।
I think there is absolutely no reason for this, and it is an assault on your spiritual rights, which Islam has given you, a misogynistic, a perspective, a patriarchal point of view, because Islam nowhere supports that women do not have rights equal to those against them, or they do not have equal rights against them. This entire perspective that has been pushed forward is a patriarchal one, which immediately came into existence after the passing away of Prophet Muhammad. It's a pre-Islamic dominated understanding that has penetrated, and I find no logic or reason behind it.
The case was filed in August 2014 with the Bombay High Court, but even before that, since 2012, we've been, from the day we came to know that women are not allowed inside the sanctum, the first line of action was to talk to the trustees themselves, and to sit and talk and negotiate and find a solution. They didn't really respond. Then we went to the Minority Commission, the Minority Development Department. They called a meeting, but the trustees didn't turn up again. So again, no willingness to talk and dialogue. Then we even approached some of the ministers at that point of time to intervene and to listen to the voices of Muslim women, but that the ministers refused to intervene. So for us, the last resort was to approach the High Court and take the matter there.
So in the High Court, this matter has been going on for how long?
August 14, so now it's more than a year now.
Okay.
Yeah.